Vericut allows us to check for travel limits and see errors in the Vericut logger if we exceed any conditions of the travel limits. If I would like to add a condition for any axis and have a condition with other axes, that is also achievable in Vericut. Right now, if I run my program, I will see no errors. If I would like to add a condition between Y and Z axes, we can go to the Machine Settings Travel Limits window and add over here a Y axis. And for this example, I would like it to be -25. And we can add a component condition over here for Z. And for this example, I'll have it between -27 and 22. What that means is the moment I become lower than -25 or greater than 0, and Z is in between these two limits, we will see an error. Let's see that in how that will work. Moving the Z for -22, and the Y is at -25. The moment Y goes to -25.1, we see that we have an error. This is how we can have a conditional travel limits between two axes.